आप कभी भी अगर बाहर निकले ना किसी भी रीज़न के लिए, वॉक के लिए, फॉर अ रन और समथिंग, अगर आप अकेले हैं एंड देन यू सी अ स्पेसशिप एंड देन एलियंस कम आउट एंड दे ट्राई एंड किडनैप यू फॉर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, आप सिर्फ एक काम करिएगा, आप उनको ऑफर करना ये वाला फ़ोन, बिकॉज आई एम 100% श्योर कि वो लोग अपनी खुद की टेक्नोलॉजी रिकग्नाइज कर लेंगे, आपसे दोस्ती करेंगे एंड देन दे विल सेफली एक्चुअली ड्रॉप यू होम इन देयर स्पेसक्राफ्ट। ये है ROG Phone 3 from the house of Republic of Gamers in the city of ASUS। और मैं आपको अभी बता दूं कि अगर आप ट्राई कर रहे हैं टू फाइंड अ नॉन फ्लैगशिप लेवल कॉम्प्रोमाइज स्पेसिफिकेशन इन दिस फोन, तो आपको बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा। बट बिफोर यू गाइस स्ट्रगल विद द आंसर, मैं आपको खुद बता देता हूं व्हाट डज इट नॉट हैव। First, it does not have IP certification, इसमें नहीं है, but there is a reason for that. Second, इसमें wireless charging नहीं है, but there is a reason for that. And that's it. Rest in everything else. This is an absolute phone on total steroids. So this is what we are going to do today. We'll talk about the phone, we'll talk about various aspects of the phone. Gamers को खरीदना चाहिए, non-gamers को खरीदना चाहिए. Plus, we're going to throw questions to Dinesh Sharma, the head of mobile business for ASUS, and hear his perspective as well. तो बहुत कुछ करना है. Let's get started. This is our review of the ASUS ROG 3. अब देखिए, ये फ़ोन has been selling like fresh hot cakes, gaming cakes. So let's start from the outside कि क्यों बिक रहा है ये फ़ोन, इतना अच्छा क्यों बिक रहा है। Nothing else looks like the ROG Phone 3. It doesn't come with IP certification. क्यों? Because it actually has physical air vents inside its aluminium frame. अब बहुत कुछ हो रहा है अंदर to boost the performance of the Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC that this comes with. इसकी clocking है 3.1 GHz की. It is paired to either 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. Storage options are UFS 3.1 as well, और hardware modifications are praiseworthy. एक large graphite cooling pads हैं इसके अंदर. 3D vapor chamber है made of copper. And these sit on top of a heat sink that you can actually see very clearly. ये जो transparent window है, you can see through that. जब आप गेमिंग करेंगे ना बहुत टाइम के लिए, यहाँ यूज़ करेंगे in some high performance app, ये portion gets quite hot. Not because the phone is under stress, but because physically जो heat है हर जगह से is being pulled out here and pushed out of these vents. In fact, इसके साथ एक case आता है that you get that actually leaves these hot spots open for this very purpose. अच्छा, एक और चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आती है, दिस लोगो इज काइंड ऑफ कूल, राइट? ये रिएक्ट करता है टू अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स, लाइक यू कैन सेट इट टू म्यूजिक एंड इवन नोटिफिकेशंस, एंड यू वुड नेवर एवर वांट टू कीप इट डाउन फॉर चार्जिंग बिकॉज you would actually be gaming with it, right? So you will be playing with it, and that's why what they did is, जो USB-C का पोर्ट है उन्होंने थोड़ा सा ऑफसेट कर दिया, मिडिल में नहीं रखा, टू वन साइड कर दिया, so you can actually plug and play. In fact, one of the most used accessories जो इस फोन पे है, that is the Aero Active Cooler 3, clips into the other Type-C port. दो Type-C ports हैं इसमें, and it gives you 3.5 mm headphone jack and another port. But that brings me to the point of talking about the phone's performance. It plays and does everything. Call of Duty, Asphalt, Forza Street, कोई भी heavy duty editing app हो, I mean hardware stutter तो इस फोन में है ही नहीं. And that is one of the major reasons why the response to this phone has been so favorable. It is selling so well. दिनेश से पता करते हैं, did they actually expect it?
We really, like kind of pull in a lot of our expertise in gaming and also a lot of inputs, from tech gurus as yourself, as well as our consumers and also professional gamers. And then we combine, these inputs to create this fabulous product, which is the ROG Phone 3. And we are quite happy that it ends up meeting your expectations or exceeding your expectations, which gets us good rave reviews and also a great consumer acceptance.
अच्छा, सिर्फ प्रोसेसर और रैम के बारे में बात नहीं है, इसका सॉफ्टवेयर जो है ना उसमें भी कोई ग्लिचेस नहीं है, बहुत ही क्लीन है, इंटरफेस इज वेरी वेरी फ्लूइड एज यू कैन एक्चुअली सी, इट्स वेरी वेरी नाइसली डन. एंड आई विल से दिस, इसकी जो स्क्रीन है ना दैट रियली हेल्प्स. द स्क्रीन एक्चुअली पीक्स एट 144 हर्ट्ज रिफ्रेश रेट. दैट इज क्रेजी. ये आपको मिलता है हाई एंड गेमिंग मॉनिटर्स में फॉर थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रुपीज़, और ये उन्होंने दिया है ऑन अ फोन. और सिर्फ रिफ्रेश रेट की बात नहीं है, बहुत कुछ और है स्क्रीन पे. 6.59 इंच की स्क्रीन है, 2340 by 1080p का पैनल विच इज गुड, AMOLED है, कंपैटिबल है विद 10-bit HDR and it gets super bright at 1000 nits plus it is color accurate as well. ये तो everyday users के लिए भी बहुत exciting बात हो जाती है that you can actually get a phone with a screen like that. Gamers should be even more excited because इस display में है 270 Hz टच सैम्पलिंग का रेट, ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट 25 ms का टच रिस्पॉन्स, 18 ms का स्लाइड रिस्पॉन्स, विच मीन्स द फोन रिएक्ट्स वेरी वेरी फास्ट टू ऑल योर टचेस, सुपर ड्यूपर फास्ट. Gorilla Glass 6 भी है इसमें फ्रंट पे, एंड पेरेंट्स नीड नॉट वरी अबाउट देयर किड्स गेटिंग हुक्ड टू दिस फोन क्योंकि ROG 3 फोन में है TUV Rhineland certified. It is protected against harmful UV, blue light and flickers and all the other things. अच्छा, दिनेश से फिर से पता करते हैं, इतना कुछ इन्होंने इस फोन में किया है, pushing the boundaries every single time they take out a new ROG 3 phone, always winning the title for best gaming phone. ये जो हर साल इनको करना पड़ता है with every new ASUS phone, is that difficult to do?
We need to constantly evaluate, what we can do further, how we can take this current technology to a completely next level to give you even a better and more superior performance. And if you see ROG Phone 3, for example, it's not like we pushed one particular aspect of it for upgrade. We've given it an all-round upgrade, whether it comes to a processor, display, whether it comes to memory, which is super fast, or whether it comes to thermals again, or whether it comes to even extending the battery life on the massive 6000 mAh battery, and as well as enhancing the audio capability of the phone, and even the gaming capability of the phone, with the new triggers. So it's an all-round push that we have given to this particular product. What is important for us is to give the best in class performance experience on the product, frankly speaking, when we make it. Now with this kind of tech going into it, the result is that it happens to be the top performer in terms of the performance. It tops the charts across the board and it becomes the fastest phone therefore. And again, what we endeavor, why do we do this? Because we want to give you because gaming really pushes the performance limits of any smartphone, and to get that kind of an experience, definitely it has to be very very awesome on performance, and therefore it ends up topping the chart. What we are aiming for is to give you a best experience.
अच्छा, आप चलते हैं towards that very important question. What if a non-gamer buys this phone? What if someone who doesn't need these में जो customized air triggers हैं वो ये phone खरीदना चाहता है? What if someone doesn't need the motion sensor based touch input? He wants to buy this phone. अगर कोई ऐसा है, someone who doesn't appreciate all these gaming sounds and flashes और बाकी जो चीज़ें जो ये फ़ोन करता है, उसने ये फ़ोन अगर ख़रीदना हो, what if someone who doesn't want the enhanced X mode for gaming buys this phone? What if someone who doesn't want the gaming themed customization इसमें जो है that is offered by Gaming Genie and Armoury Crate buys this phone? To such a fellow, I'm going to say, good choice, great, well done. You just bought an overkill performer क्योंकि literally इस phone में हर चीज़ overkill है. High-end performance phone with a battery also that is very very good. आपको शायद charge नहीं करना पड़ेगा for 48 hours. Yes, that's right. Non-gaming days में with regular use, I was easily able to run this phone into the second day, evening and night. I imagine कि अगर मैं इसका refresh rate को drop down कर दूँ 144 Hz से अगर मैं 60 Hz कर देता हूँ, if I don't continuously watch content or movies or listen to music on its incredibly loud stereo speakers, let's say मैं headphone इस्तेमाल कर लेता हूँ, I think I can stretch it way beyond 48 hours. और जब आपको चार्ज करना भी पड़ेगा, you have the 30 watt ROG Hypercharge fast charging. But gamer or no gamer, let's now talk about the camera. देखिए, इसमें 64 मेगापिक्सल का मेन कैमरा है and it's a great camera. उसके बाद अगर आप कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, it's like you're complaining about low ground clearance on your F1 sports car. It is paired to the Sony IMX sensor, which means आप शूट कर सकते हैं 8K video at 30 frames per second, 4K HDR videos at up to 60 frames per second, 4K slow motions at 120 frames per second, in fact 440 frames per second for HD video. 13 megapixel ultra wide is nice, but कुछ point में softening of photos मैंने ज़रूर देखी. Same thing happens with the macro lens also, थोड़ा सा soft है. Credit where it is due is Pro मोड है इसमें ऑन ऑफर फॉर वीडियोस. सर्कुलर इसमें एक डायल आ जाते हैं which reminds me of my Lumia phones, and it is such a good display to use. 24 megapixel selfie camera, also very nice, very decent, offers decent separation in portrait photos. But I think the software tuning will keep improving, और ये जितने भी इनके cameras हैं they'll keep getting better and better. Now imagine I'm talking about a gaming phone and I'm being able to talk about it to people who don't game as such. This phone can serve chicken dinners in 2 rooms at the same time. देखिए gamers तो खरीदेंगे, and if you're a gamer and you still haven't bought this phone, I still don't understand why you haven't bought it. लेकिन the fact that it's doing so well with non-gamers, क्या ASUS को पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा?
It's actually by design. So basically, we know that consumers, when they buy a smartphone, they're not only buying it for gaming, but they're buying it for an overall smartphone usage experience. Couple of quick examples on this. So one is the display itself, right? The HDR AMOLED display gives you amazing audio, amazing visuals while you're watching your content or while you're watching your movies. The fast response time is very useful when you're opening apps, or even the 144 Hz refresh rate makes the whole experience of scrolling very, very smooth and gives you a completely new level of fluid experience on the screen. Again, the dual speakers that they have, they're amazing for giving you an immersive movie watching experience apart from gaming watching experience, right? The side charging port again comes into play even for watching movies, right? Apart from playing games. And to ensure that consumers also get a very good overall smartphone experience, we are plugging in high-end cameras from Sony. So therefore, we've also taken care of other aspects and not only just the gaming aspects when we are designing the ROG phone.
अच्छा, इस फ़ोन के ना 2 वेरिएंट्स आते हैं. एक तो है 8 GB रैम के साथ 128 GB स्टोरेज विच इज़ प्राइस्ड एट अबाउट 50,000 रुपीज़, और दूसरा है 12 GB रैम के साथ 256 GB स्टोरेज, एंड दैट विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 7,000 to 8,000 रुपीज़ मोर. अब चलते हैं टुवर्ड्स द एडवाइस सेक्शन. आप गेमर हैं, प्रो गेमर हैं, नॉन गेमर हैं, यू वांट अ हाई परफॉर्मेंस फ़ोन, देन दिस is the phone for you. I mean, just look at the amount of thought and detailing जो हर aspect of this phone में डाल दी गई हैं. Insane number of accessories also. If you are actually a gamer, just consider the insane number of accessories that run natively and give native support due to its customized connector, which I'm sure is not an easy ecosystem. मतलब इसको build करना, maintain करना for such a chain of products. I found out from Dinesh, is that easy?
Most of the other manufacturers, when they develop a phone, it's just the phone. It's that specific model. But here, if you go to see, there are multiple products being developed together. So one, you've got the smartphone itself. Then you've got the whole range of accessories that we have, some of which are very customized. Then we've got a whole range of other accessories like the Aero Cooler fan. Now, Aero Cooler fan and covers are customized to each specific variant of the product, but they have to be ID specific. Thereafter, we've got a full range of other accessories like the twin view dock, like Kunai gamepad controller. Then you've got the new ROG clip this year. And the beauty about the rest of the accessory ecosystem, which we are creating, is that it's both compatible with the current version of ROG Phone 3 and is also backward compatible with ROG Phone 2. And the ROG Phone 2 accessories, apart from some of them like fan or covers, are also compatible with ROG Phone 3. And all of these other accessories, which are apart from, let's say, the simple covers which just clip on, they are all having a software as well. So you've got software development happening on the product, then you've got software development happening all these accessories, and they have to be all compatible with each other to work seamlessly with each other. So yes, it's quite an effort.
So Dinesh, we spoke to you about so many things, but before I let you go, I'm going to restrict you to your favorite features on this phone.
So first aspect is, for performance, the combination that we put in of Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is the fastest processor, with the fastest memory, which is available both on RAM and ROM. So that creates a superlative, hardcore performance-oriented hardware on the phone. Second cool innovation that we've done is on the display. Now, one aspect that mostly everybody understands is that it's the refresh rate. These are easy numbers like 120 Hz or 144 Hz. So clearly we pushed it on the top limit when it comes to the refresh rate at 144 Hz. But in gaming as well as your everyday smartphone experience, you need very fast touch sensitivity. And we brought down the touch sensitivity to only 25 milliseconds, which is even 50% faster than most of our competing products, or let's say the last year ROG Phone 2. So you now got a very, very super responsive display that you have right now on the phone. The third aspect is air triggers. They are my personal favorite because that is what really gives you an awesome console-like gaming experience on the ROG phone. And the last part that I like this year is the audio upgrade that we've done. In fact, we are the only smartphone in India with the highest DxO mark. So DxO mark for audio, we've got the highest DxO mark in India on any smartphone. But this is a result of some incredible speakers that we built in on the product, which are 7 magnet speakers with dual NXP amps and fine-tuned by Dirac from Sweden. So that's what really makes it an awesome immersive experience when you game or you watch movies on this particular product or you use this product on a day-to-day basis. It really gives you an immersive superlative experience.
अच्छा, कमेंट सेक्शन जो आप है ना, इस पर थोड़ा सा पर्सनल रखना. आई वांट योर व्यूज ऑन द फोन ऑब्वियसली, बट आई आल्सो वांट टू नो, are you a gamer, are you a non-gamer? If you're planning to buy this phone and you're a non-gamer, then why are you buying it? Because I've heard lots of non-gamers are actually buying it. And I have to tell you, whether you're a gamer or a non-gamer and you buy this phone, aliens जो हैं वो तो आपके दोस्त बनेंगे ही, लेकिन जो आपके human friends हैं वो भी आपसे बहुत डर के रहेंगे, because at the end of the day, this is one hell of a phone.